In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make interactive Google Slides. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. You'll land on the home page where you can start a new presentation or work from existing ones. To make the process faster and more polished, we'll begin with a ready-made layout rather than a blank deck. At the top of the page, click on Template Gallery. This opens a collection of professionally designed options for different purposes, like education, project updates, or simple portfolios. Using a template saves time and gives you a cohesive look right away. Browse through the templates and select one that suits your needs. Think about your audience and the tone you want. Clean and minimal for business, colorful and bold for a classroom, or something neutral if you plan to add a lot of visuals. Once you find a good fit, click to open it as your starting point. Now customize the template so it reflects your content. Replace placeholder text with your own messaging and swap out any images or icons with visuals that support your topic. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand or theme and keep readability in mind. Use clear headings, consistent sizes, and enough contrast between text and background. If a layout doesn't fit your content, rearrange elements or duplicate a slide you like and modify it. The goal is a presentation that looks cohesive and is easy to scan. To add interactivity and polish, you can add transitions between slides. Look for the transition option in the toolbar or menu to open the transitions panel. This is where you control how one slide moves to the next, which helps guide your audience and keep their attention without overwhelming them. Select a transition and click to apply it. Common choices like fade or slide are smooth and professional. You can also adjust the speed so the movement feels natural. Too fast can be jarring, too slow can feel sluggish. Keep the style consistent so your presentation flows rather than distracts. Decide whether to apply the transition to a single slide or apply to all slides. Using one transition across the deck creates a steady rhythm, while customizing transitions per slide can highlight key sections. If you mix styles, do it sparingly so the experience still feels cohesive. Finally, click Play or Present to view your slides in action. Watch for pacing, readability, and whether the transitions enhance the message. If something feels off, pause, tweak the slide content or transition settings, and preview again. With these steps, you'll have an engaging, interactive Google Slides presentation that's clean, clear, and ready to share.